Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Open iTunes on computer, connect iPhone to computer with USB cable. Hold both home and power buttons on iPhone until iTunes recognizes iPhone in recovery mode. This usually takes about 20 seconds of holding both buttons. Restore the iPhone firmware. 26 July 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Perform a hard reset on your phone by holding down the sleep, wake button and the home button at the same time. Hold the buttons until the Connect to iTunes screen appears. On your computer, choose Restore from the iTunes screen. This will delete all data from your phone. 18 May 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to fix iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes. Step 1. Enter recovery mode. The first step is to connect your iPhone to your computer and enter recovery mode. Step 2. Locate your iPhone, iPad via your Mac, PC. Step 3. Choose the option to restore. Step 4. Set up your iPhone. The 27th of May 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.